Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be on what's in my bag. I think we filmed this kind of a video last year in April only, so it's been a good year since we filmed that kind of a video. So I thought why not make another edition of the same topic. So yeah, bag bhi change ho gayi hai and मुझे काफी questions आते हैं about this bag. So I thought why not make this video for you guys. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, first things first. ये बैग कहाँ से ली गई है? Oh my God! Like I have so many comments on this bag मेरे vlogs में या फिर मेरे DMs में. तो ये बैग H&M से ली हुई है. Around 1800 और 2000 I got it for, and trust me guys, ये बैग में पूरा ब्रह्मांड भी आ जाएगा. I kid you not, I'm not even exaggerating. This looks kind of small, but ये इतनी सारी like चीजें hold कर सकता है, and it's a very good quality bag. It looks so huge. Like look at this, and this fits inside this, and अंदर already बहुत सामान है. I will show you. Can you see this wallet, ये pouch, sanitizer, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें. और मेरे पीछे के कंपार्टमेंट में बॉटल घुसा दी है. बहुत easily चली गई and बहुत easily बंद भी हो गई. Look at this. Let's move on and see what all is there. तो ये बैग में ना दो compartments है, as you guys can see, and पीछे एक zip भी है. So that's all like compartment wise is there in this bag. Okay, so one by one let's remove things. Okay, I have my house keys. Then I have a toothbrush which I think Maddie gave, wooden toothbrush. So whenever I go to her place to stay and all, so उसको बार बार मेरे को ब्रश देना पड़ता है. So that day I told her कि मैं ये एक ही ब्रश दे, मैं हमेशा ये मेरे बैग में ही रखूँगी, so that you don't have to give it to me. And it's always good to carry a toothbrush because in case impromptu बन जाए, आप किसी दोस्त के घर पे चले जाओ, तो it's good to have a toothbrush with you. Then I have these earrings. So cute. So मुझे बहुत questions आते हैं ये earrings के बारे में. I don't remember where I got these from. I'm so sorry. But I keep extra pair of earrings like this. Then पीछे मैंने बस मेरा एक mask रखा हुआ है, extra handy mask, because you know it's still there. Okay, पीछे का compartment हो गया. Let's move on to this आगे का compartment. The first thing is this spray sanitizer. I kid you not, spray sanitizer will change your life. Because ना जब हम bottle वाले जो होते हैं, जो squeeze करने वाले होते हैं, कभी कभी ज़्यादा आ जाता है, कम आ जाता है. So you know having a spray one is always good. And yeah, this is from Bath and Body Works in the flavor or variant eucalyptus tea. Smells divine. And I think ये मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से, मैंने ये आपको बहुत पहले भी दिखाया था. And yeah, it's going strong still because spray में बहुत कम product बाहर आता है and same quantity बाहर आती है, so you don't end up wasting a lot of sanitizer. So that's that. Then I have my wallet. I bought this from Nykaa Fashion. I think this is from Esbeda. Yeah, this is from Esbeda. This is how it looks like. Very cute, like a purple color. It's not lavender, it's purple. I have some cash. RC book है कार का. Then we have the license, driving license, and also my PAN card. तो ये सारा इसमें होता है. Then I always carry my AirPods. मेरा एक वो पूप वाला केस था, बट वो अभी लूज हो गया, तो I got another one. This is like a glow in the dark case. That's why it's like this fluorescent pink. तो रात को ये मस्त ग्लो करता है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I like to carry this because again I am addicted to music wherever I'm going. Even if like a 5-minute रिक्शा में बैठ के जाना है, फिर भी मैं गाने लगाऊंगी कान में. So yeah. Next up we have this big pouch जिसमें बहुत सारा सामान है. So let's start talking about that one by one. This pouch I got in PR, so I like to use it. Plus ये थोड़ा बीच में transparent है, तो दिखता है अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. And one tip, I think it's not like a tip, like everybody knows this, कि अगर आपकी बैग काफ़ी बड़ी है तो थोड़े pouches कैरी करो अंदर, so that आपका सामान ऐसे फैला हुआ ना रहे और आपको चीज़ें बहुत quickly मिले. So the first thing you can see is a moisturizer. This is the Ceramide plus Hyaluronic Acid Intense Face Moisturizer for Dry Skin by Dermaco. Now I know I have spoken so much about this product, oh my god, but trust me guys, I love this product so much, and this is always in my bag. And also one more is there in my skincare pouch. I carry this because ना throughout the day I get dry around my mouth, especially here, and थोड़ा यहाँ पे मुझे patches है dry, तो कभी कभी मेरा foundation केकी लगने लगता है, या फिर if I'm just wearing a powder तो वहाँ से वो lift हो जाती है. तो I like to just take a little bit of moisturizer on my fingers. ऐसा इतना सा मॉइस्चराइजर लेके you can just dab it on that area, and the dry flaky patches just kind of calm down. Trust me, having a moisturizer in your bag is so necessary for people who have dry skin. My dry skin girls out there, I know the struggle is real because हमारे skin पे कभी भी dry patches pop हो सकते हैं and it just looks very weird. So having something like this which will calm down your patches is a must. Now this moisturizer has ceramide and hyaluronic acid as I mentioned, and it's great for people who have irritated, sensitive, dry skin. It locks in moisture for 72 hours and also helps to treat acne and pigmentation. It is suitable for dry, normal and combination skin with acne or blemish prone skin. Plus it's so inexpensive. This is just for 349 rupees and a very chotu squeezy tube, very travel friendly. That's why I like to keep it in my bag. It does not have any sulfates or parabens, and you guys already know that all Dermaco products are designed by dermatologists. So you can check this product out. I have a coupon code which is flashing on screen right now, which will give you 20% off on their website, but these products are available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Alright, moving on to other things in this pouch. So this clip right here, very basic. अभी इसका क्या कुछ explanation नहीं है. You just have to carry a clip if you have long hair. So that's that. Then I have a panty liner. Guys, ये coincidentally lavender आ गया है. मैंने जानबूझ के नहीं lavender लिया है. I know everybody is gonna be like, your panty liners are also lavender. अभी मैं क्या करूँ, मतलब डेस्टिनी ऐसी है, we can't help it. So this I think is from Whisper. Always buy from Nua और Kamesi उसके panty liners. But that day I think बहुत emergency में मैंने ये खरीदा था and they are good. ओके सो मैं उसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. काफी सारे आए थे तो मैं एक या दो हमेशा कैरी करती हूँ मेरे पाउच में. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट अ पैंटी लाइनर इज, बट फिर भी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे देती हूँ दैट इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट पैंटी लाइनर इज देन इट्स अ स्मॉल पैड, ओके, लाइक दिस मच ओनली, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज ग्रेट टू कैरी देम बिकॉज कभी कभी आपको इमरजेंसी हो गई तो आप ये लगा के देन यू कैन गो एंड लाइक परचेज फॉर अनदर बिग पैड. लेट्स मूव ऑन. उसी लाइन्स पे है मेरी डायनापार मेडिसिन. दिस इज again everything is falling from my hands. This is Dynapar. Basically it's for my period cramps. I don't take it every time when I have cramps. It's only when I have a big day or I have a hectic day and I can't really rest, then I take this. It really works for me, but I would recommend you should check with your gynac whatever medicine that you are taking for period cramps or जो भी है gynac से consult करके ही लो. ये मैंने मेरे gynac से consult करके लिया हुआ है. So that's that. Then we have inhaler, of course. So पहले मुझे नौशा होता था when I used to sit पीछे गाड़ी में या फिर बाजू में भी shotgun मुझे होता था, but अभी now that I've started driving still I get nausea and it's very annoying because the constant feeling of headache and pukish जो लगता है हमेशा, it's just so annoying, and तब मुझे ये बहुत handy आता है. Now this is gifted by Kiran, she is my very close friend, so उसने मुझे बर्थडे पे ये गिफ्ट किया था. So इसमें ना दो चीज़ें, okay, it's so innovative. So ऊपर it's like your normal inhaler, okay, and then नीचे it's like a Vicks का liquefied version. Can you see this? It's a roll-on. So you can just put it on your head if your head is also peeling, which is so good. You don't have to carry extra जंडू बाम जो भी है. This is such a great innovation. तो अगर आपको nausea है या आपको हमेशा pukish लगता है या headache होता है whenever you travel, make sure you are buying this variant. Then I have a lipstick. Lipstick नहीं है, lip and cheek tint है by Lakme. I think I've spoken about this before. This is how the shade looks like. ये बैग का यही lipstick shade होता है मेरा. It goes on all outfits, all lipsticks that I have already worn before. तो मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And also you can use this to like amp up your blush if you want to. So that's that. Otherwise I don't carry any other makeup product apart from a lipstick. Then I carry a lip balm. This is by Bobbi Brown. This is how it looks like. It's in the shade Bare Melon. Again, I've spoken about these in my monthly favorites, so I'm not going to speak more. But only one thing, it's the best lip balm that I've ever tried. Love it so much. Okay, last few things is my hairbrush. I think ये last वाले video में भी था because ये कब से मैं use कर रही हूँ and I love it. And it's so cute and so small. So I always keep my hair open. So whenever I travel by rickshaw and all, like my hair goes haywire. So I need something to like tame them down. So it's a good habit to carry a hairbrush. Also if you have long hair, आपके बाल हमेशा tangle होने ही वाले हैं. आप college में जा रहे हो, office में जा रहे हो, तो having a small comb like this is very important. I think I got this from Miniso or Mumuso. I don't remember, but you can get it in both of the stores. Then I have a rubber band. Basic. Then we have last few things left. This is a peppermint spray, like mouth freshener. Of course, I need to carry this. Now, if you know anything about me, I am obsessed with like having to smell good everywhere. So may it be your breath, may it be your body or your hair. I just can't stand bad breath or bad odor. So this is the Icy Mint 0 calories spray mint. Works great. मैं हमेशा मेरे बैग में एक रखती हूँ और गाड़ी में भी एक होता है. So in case I'm not going by my car and going by rickshaw, I still have this. And you know, you go out with friends, you eat a lot, it's good to have this, or you can chew on some gum if you want. Then second last thing is this floss. So it has like a pointy edge over here, and then it also has floss over here. So again, this is like one of my biggest fears, that I'm meeting someone new and I'm eating something and it's stuck in my teeth, and that person will not tell me that something is stuck in your teeth. Or the worst thing is if that person tells me कि भाई तेरे दांत में कुछ अटका हुआ है. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. So that's why I carry this. I don't want people to feel uncomfortable around me. So yeah, I always carry this. And you can reuse this, okay? You can just use this, wash it, and again clean this and keep it back. And then last but not the least is this Chotu perfume by Kayali. Now I had bought like that gift set जिसमें 7-8 perfumes के से छोटे-छोटे bottles आते हैं. This is the variant musk. I love this one so much. मैंने vanilla coco खत्म कर दिया, vanilla भी खत्म हो गया, तो अभी मैं musk यूज़ कर रही हूँ. उसका भी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. मैंने लास्ट मंथली फेवरेट्स में बात किया था इसके बारे में. सो ये ऑलवेज इट्स देयर इन माई बैग इन केस आई वांट टू रिफ्रेश माई परफ्यूम और इट्स बीन लॉन्ग आवर्स एंड आई वांट टू स्मेल गुड. आई विल जस्ट स्प्रिट्स दिस 2-3 sprays, it's enough, and this lasts also for a very long time. Okay, I think that's it. Let me just check once again if some, oh okay, glasses are left. So ये बहुत ऐसे रेट्रो ग्लासेस है जो मैं कैरी करती हूँ मेरे बैग में. दिस रियली डजंट डू मच, लाइक ऐसा कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलता है सनलाइट से या कुछ, बट जस्ट स्टाइल मारने के लिए यू नो I keep them. And the white frame na actually goes on a lot of outfits. Also it just elevates your look, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's why I like to carry them. I don't remember where I got this from. So yeah guys, that's it. अभी मेरे बैग में कुछ नहीं बचा है. That's all. And also there is one more sanitizer which I keep बैग को यहाँ पे, so that वो बाहर ही हो and मुझे हमेशा बैग खोलनी ना पड़े. This is in the lavender variant by Miniso. So you can buy these from Miniso और बहुत inexpensive 150 rupees का ही था. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I personally like watching such quirky videos. They are just time pass वाले videos. I like it. So yeah, I'll leave all the links. जितने भी products के बारे में बात की है मैंने सारे description box में दे दूँगी. उनको check out करना मत भूलना, subscribe करना मत भूलना, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.